Hey everyone, Channing here with My Tennessee Home Solution. Thinking about selling your house? One big question is whether to renovate before putting it on the market. At My Tennessee Home Solution, we buy houses in Middle Tennessee for cash, so you can skip repairs and listings. Still though, you might wonder if doing some cost-effective renovations will help you get a better price. Sometimes making improvements can significantly increase your home's value. Simple fixes, a fresh coat of neutral paint, and professional cleaning and decluttering often offer a good return on investment. Renovating your home can make it more appealing to buyers and potentially lead to a higher selling price. However, renovating isn't always the best approach. The average renovation cost in 2024 is over $40,000, which can be a stretch if you're on a tight budget. Plus, not all renovations yield the same return. For example, while a tidy exterior is important, spending a lot on professional landscaping, for example, might not pay off if buyers have different tastes. Some homeowners in Nashville try to improve their homes for a higher sale price, only to find it wasn't worth it. Here are some common pitfalls. Going for the cheapest option can mean working with inexperienced or careless contractors. Always vet contractors thoroughly to avoid poor workmanship and complications like mechanics liens. And unless you're experienced, DIY renovations can look unprofessional and end up costing more if you need to hire someone to fix mistakes. And more often than not, expensive and undesirable upgrades can drain your budget without really boosting your home's value. If renovating seems overwhelming or not feasible, consider selling your home as is to My Tennessee Home Solution. And here's why. We're the only 5-star rated company in the area buying homes as is, reflecting our commitment to excellence. And as a local veteran-owned and operated team, we deeply understand the Middle Tennessee market, its neighborhoods, and unique challenges. We offer personalized solutions for various situations. So whether you're dealing with an inherited property, a divorce, or need a quick sale, we're here to help you with your specific needs. Reach out to mytennesseehomesolution.com and let's find the best way to move forward together. Thanks again, and I look forward to helping you with your home selling journey.